Hi everyone, we are going to Cebu. That way ha, that way ha. Hi! Where are you going?
Cebu.
Cebu! Time, it's already 11:56 p.m. Tulog na si Yana. So, we took Grab car from airport going here sa condo and I paid 362 pesos. Ito, dapat sana ay sa SM kami magdi-dinner. Pero pagod na si Yana, syempre bata. You know, that's also a tip for parents traveling with their children. Their energy can really go up high and their energy can also go really down. Kaya, matinding adjustment dapat ang gawin natin. But that's okay. And then, nag-grab food lang kami. So, dito na lang kami nag-dinner sa room. Nag-chowking. We ordered chowking kasi nag-crave siya ng chow fan. So, gusto niya chow fan. So, I ordered chow fan and then chicken and then the chicharap. So, I paid 329 pesos for that. And by the way, we are staying here in San Vida condo. This was the condo where we stayed 2 years ago. Good morning, sir! Go na, go na, go na!
Kayo na po dalawa?
Opo. Hi, good morning! Today is Friday, October 25, and time it's 7:38 a.m. Yes. Yeah. And we are now here at Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. We're finally in and I just bought the ticket here. Nag-walk-in lang kami kasi
There's bad news.
What's bad news? But first, the good news first.
Okay,
The good news is that we finally have the ticket.
Yeah.
It's here.
Right.
Para keep safe lang siya. But, as I've said, nag-walk-in lang ni. Kay, I did not manage to book sa Klook. Supposedly, I was going to book on Klook. But, nakalimta na. Nagsalig. So, pag-check na ko kagabi, idili na di ay pwede.
Bad news.
Okay, now, she has the bad news.
And we went inside when it got open already.
But
But we the guard get our
Bottle.
bottle.
Yes. Nagbaon mi og water bottle for her, but bawal. So next time, do not bring a water bottle. Instead, bring a tumbler. Tumblers are allowed, but water bottles are not allowed. So I don't
we
get
just
the logic.
buy it.
So nagbuy na lang mi diri. Nagbuy mi, and this costs 40 pesos. And look at that. It's so gloomy. By the way, we booked I don't know if I've already mentioned this a while ago, but we booked a rent-a-car service. So that was a package back and forth from here. I mean, from the condo going here and then going back to the condo. That's 3,000 pesos. I booked it, or I mean, my friend Chens referred it. Thank you, Chens. So, nagbuy mi og hat for Yana because it's raining. And that's 300 pesos. Anna, you're so quick! Oo, no?
Mommy, not so fast.
Oh, sorry. Sige, go.
So, yung nasa left side mo, pwede mo stand since a light lion nasa right side. Oh! So, we have here 3 white lions named Max, Jack, and that one is Bugoy. They're born and raised in captivity from France. They have 1.2 hectares area where they can roam freely and exercise their natural behaviors. So, sila 8 times brighter than human eye at night since nasa sila night vision. While for their lifespan, ma'am sir, they can live up 13 to 16 years in a wild and 23 to 25 years in captivity.
Jack, tanawa ko na ko, Jack. Jack! Bye, Jack! Wala na si Jack.
And then,
Lion?
si Max. So, dali ra siya na to, Marco.
What's that?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. You like flamingos there?
That's actually my favorite, top one favorite animal.
Ooh! Tanan na lang favorite animal. It transferred on me.
Hello.
Hello.
Dito sa sulod. Si impala, si zebra, si blasdok.
Sing, mommy.
Usually yung case and area sila
Yun kay kuan ang mga male kay lion.
This is an African lion.
All humans are like kuan are like ang boys short hair unya ang girls kay long hair. Are you sure like
Maybe. It's my first time seeing a giraffe.
Ah. Yeah. Ah. Agad.
Yana's really having fun. Nice view for lunch. Eating your favorite food while staring at the giraffe. They're also eating, right? Next, ikaw ang kaunon sa giraffe. Oh, so haggard. But I think this is a perfect place to update you. So, we are having our lunch here at the outpost. So, ganina, nangita mi og kanang spot on where to eat. Because we're not really that hungry, but we need to eat kay 12 noon na siya.
No, I'm hungry.
No, you were hungry? Oh. And then, along the way, so nagbaktas mi ganina and nalahi mi og group. Like, kami na lang si duha ni Yana. So, diri ni Agi ang over here. Ni Agi ang what's that? The shuttle. And I saw the giraffe. So, pwede siya mag-eat while the giraffes are also here at the back. It's such a perfect place. So, ang amo ang nabayaran diri is 580 pesos. So, ako a fish, 300. And then kaya na is chicken, 280. So, a total of 580 pesos. But it's worth it because I think I'm not paying for the food, I'm paying for the beautiful view. This is the view from our window.
It's so nice, right, guys? Who are watching this nice time?
Yeah. City lights. Hello, good morning. Today is Saturday, October 20. What day? October 26. It's 11:26 a.m. and I just finished pumping. This is my third time pumping here while on vacation here in Cebu. Pag-ilis na ba? So now I'm going to transfer it here. And last night, we went to New Star Resort for the Christmas tree lighting. And I was so happy we were invited. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pauline of New Star, for inviting us. But also, yesterday, just want to update you with our expenses, additional expenses. So, yesterday, after our lunch in Outpost in Safari, we bought pasalubong. Some pasalubong lang, like, was that a shirt for Daddy and then 2 ref magnets. Yeah, 849 pesos. So, at nighttime, we went back here at the condo para lang mag-freshen up, mag-rest kadali, and then mag-freshen up so we could proceed to New Star for the event. And we booked a Grab car from here going to New Star, and it was very traffic. The traffic was really terrible. So, we spent 513 pesos for Grab car. Ang maganda kasi sa Grab car, ayan, good morning na kaya na, ready na. Going to
Adorable.
Mountain. Breast milk for Zainer. This is our third milk here. So we are now here at Robinson's Galleria, Cebu. So this is just very near from our accommodation. Nag-taxi lang me from the condo going here, and we paid 65 pesos. 65 pesos lang. Yan na siya kadali. And lunch lang din sa Robinson's Galleria because dinhi sa Dennis, syempre Dennis ako ang gipili kay wala man din sa Davao. And then, after here, mag-play ni dito sa Playland. Check na ko. Kaya nakita lang manggod na ko na. Nakakita lang ko TikTok video sa Nga naay po yung anak. Bilhin. So, this is Yana's order. That's pancake, fruits, bacon, sausage, egg. And mine is the crispy pork belly. Best sellers daw nila ni Dere. So, this one is 395 and this one is 200 plus 295, I guess. And both comes with free coffee, but isa lang ako ang ipatimpla for dine, and then ang ihang coffee is for takeout. Push lang na ni mo. Try ganito na. Go! Yay!
Kung tanong, imong white, akong sa, ang imong tip. Go, ten, pabila yun ang hotel.
Sige, te, go, te, walk. Pwede man dikit eh. Ano yun? Come here. Dati, oh. Dali din. Ha? Kaya gali. Cute, no? So nice!
Asa na ka, Tim?
Go! Wow! It did! 1, 2, go! Wow! Go! Wow! Ikaw to nagkuan? Alite, answeran na to nite.
Mommy, I saw something very good.
Tanong sa answeran sa natin eh.
We can go see it.
Pwede din siya ituyo. Go. It's okay. Transfer sa Pikas, te. Ha? Huwag og yana. We are actually here at Play Lab and the entrance fee here is 200 pesos. So 100 pesos for a child and 100 pesos per adult for 1 hour. Oh, smile, smile, smile. Dito, picture ito ni Jenny. Hi. Hi. Pero, nalapas na. Hey. Hi. Nag-hide siya, te. One. So last night we arrived at our accommodation at 10 p.m. I mean 10:30 p.m. So the travel time was only 30 minutes kasi walang traffic. And surprisingly, kaming dalawa lang niya na yung pasahero pa-uwi from Anjo World going to SM City. So that was just around 30 minutes kasi walang traffic. Thank you. I was distracted by the lechon, but of course you cannot go, or I mean you cannot leave Cebu without eating lechon. So we are here sa Cebu to, of course, to try and taste the lechon. But as I was saying, so 10 p.m. na dumating kami sa SM City Cebu. And then from SM City Cebu, nag-walk lang kami papunta sa Sentida. And it took us around 20 minutes siguro of walking. 20 minutes of course kasi may bata kang kasama. And then yes, but Ate Yana is so good. Ate Yana is really kind. Like wala gid siya nagpakarga. Wala gid siya nagpakarga. Although she was joking na, ay kapoy naman ko, uy, gusto na ko magpakarga. She was so silly. And then that's it. So after that, wala na line expenses. We just freshen up, clean the things, prepared. Tapos, this morning, she had her bread for breakfast. Ako, wala ko na breakfast. And then, karon nag-lunch kami. And then, nagpalit na po dahil ko daan ang mga pasalubong. So, we just ordered the zubuchon pansit and itong lechon nila. Tapos, I'm so excited to try this one also. And then, one rice lang because na ano man. Hello, we have transferred here sa Belmont Hotel Mactan. This is actually a complimentary stay kasi napanalunan ko to sa raffle with Davao Digital Influencers. And then now, I have to, actually, na-prepare naman ako ang mga things. Kanilang is, iandam lang na ako ang mga para uma. So, for about the room, I think it costs 3,000 to 5,000. This is the standard room. Actually, dapat na pa'y mas nindot na view, ani, katong sea view. But since, complementary lang ni, so dili ta makabuot kung sa ang ato ang view. But I find it very comfortable and this is actually a family-friendly hotel. Ang among room, this is a connecting room. So, if you are traveling with your extended family, you can actually book 2 rooms na connecting siya. And I think that's all. So, overall, ayan. Walang. After here, so nag-freshen up kami niya na pakulay lang kadali. And nag-unbox lang mi og blind box na Ano tawag to, te? Macaron baby something. Wala lang.
No, macaroni
Just
bunny.
macaron bunny, whatever.
Ay, no.
Okay, para lang maka-experience lang ni Ana. But, wala to, one and enough. So, tanawa na lang, upload na ko siya sa TikTok. And, after here, we will go to Pororo Park. Naana siya sa J Park Hotel. So, sa Pororo Park lang, may kaya I think 200 pesos naman ata. And it's just, yeah. And then, it's just 15 minutes away from here. So, at least, so, naplano na yun na ko ang ruta para dilipod kay tamadakan sa pamasahe. And then, naapod tayo complimentary use of the swimming pool here. So, mag-swim si Ate Yana later. And mo lang na to ang activities left for our remaining hours here in Cebu.
I don't want to go home. I want to live here.
Why?
It's so nice here.
You like Cebu?
Yes. Can we go on?
Transfer here?
Yes.
Why? We are here.
This way lang ma'am, for rest pa.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Si Uncle lang ang very nice na color. Oh? Ako lang ang perfect. Ay, tanawa ang order.
Sige lang, it's okay.
Front lang.
Scanning! Nagpangkilig ko eh. Again. There you go! Hello! Hi! Dagan kayo? Asa naman to? Hi! Yan! Nag-swim! Tara, Teo! Tara, oh! Nagtalikod! Where's yung mga tubang? Ha? Naunsa ba na siya maglangoy, uy? Sulutani. Sulut. Yan na. Ah! Oh my God! Go! Slide? Slide? First floor. Let's go. Okay po. Ah.
Come on, come on.
Ate, how was it? Dizzy?
Yeah.
No, unlock siya na rin na slide. Dire na side na siya token. So there's bowling, na ay dart machine, na ay unsa ni siya? Unsa ni te? And this one pod. And
Mommy, can we go back?
yes, let's go back na. Wani ang ihang.
Come sa, mommy. Mommy, come sa.
Okay.
Come sa with me.
Wow! Napo diri te oh. Hospital unsa na?
Can I have the name?
Ay, nag-order na ko og mango juice. Okay na yun.
Okay, what is that?
Tara oh. Come here. Ay, breastfeeding room. Wow! This is the breastfeeding room.
Mommy, you're the girl.
Diaper change.
A lot of stuff here.
Pwede mag-diaper change diri.
Yeah, but I don't need it.
Ay, wala pa na mga kuan na siya. High chair. Dere. Oh, kung mag-sleep ang baby. Oh, this is so cute. Say fishing.
Then if
Aka na. Nanay magnet. Sige daw. Try. You did it, man. Good, oh. Wow, sige. How do? Oh, yay! Dito na sa camera, ate. You got it! Asa ang fish? Asa ang fish? Thank you, sir.